Hey guys, Frank with Online Industry Expert. Today I'm going to be trading some futures on the NASDAQ. So I'm going to try and do it pretty quick. So if you have questions, check me out on the site, send me a message, and we're good to go. Okay, ready to go? I hope I am. All right, let's see. We're looking at movement here, and the key is putting in a sell and a buy close together, and we're basically trying to pin it.
Stop filled. Order filled.
And there we go. That was it. So you got that? Let's do it again.
Order Stop filled. Order filled.
Okay. Let's try it a little farther up, so you can see it. So I'm doing 4. It's going to hit the 4. And
order filled.
That's it. That's all there is to it. And, you know, making money. I can do this all day. Oh, and now it's going down. So you put downside and the buy next to it. And no, looks like we went
Stop
back up.
filled.
And
order filled.
That's it. Okay, sold out. So the key here is keeping an eye on if it hits your top level and doesn't reach your sellout. Okay? So, yeah, I guess I'm doing pretty good on time, right? Let's see, what did I make? Almost 800 bucks. So here we go. Here we go. Bloop, bloop. Is it going to make it? Nope. Okay, it's going back up. So that's it. Going back and forth all day long, whether it goes up, whether it goes down. And the key is keeping the numbers close enough together so that it hits it and goes through and closes the position. Okay? If you start getting greedy and you put your gaps too wide, it's going to hit it, it's going to touch it, and it's going to turn around, and you're going to start to lose. And that's
Stop filled.
When that happens, you start getting a little crazy as it spins. Yeah, see that? Well, that one did well. Let me close that.
Order filled.
Okay. So that one I wasn't paying close enough attention, and it went off on me. All right. Cool. Okay.